University of Antique is the only university in the province of Antique, Western Visayas. It has 5 campuses spread out in the whole province, which are located in the towns of Hamtic, Sibalom, Tibiao, Libertad, and Caluya. The current research niches in the university are abbreviated as KKK, which stands for Hawaiian or bamboo, Kuron or terracotta or pottery, and Karanon or food products. For the Karanon projects, that is in collaboration with the DOST CEST projects, it is where UA has established 5 specialized techno-hubs for food innovation in its various campuses. Caluya Techno-Hub for seaweed-based products, Tibiao Techno-Hub for fish-based products, San Romeo Techno-Hub for processed vegetables and root crop products, Sibalom Techno-Hubs specific for rice and grain-based products, and lastly, Hamtic Techno-Hub for dairy products. In the province of Antique, there is absence of food research and testing laboratories. Faculties and researchers conduct their experiments at the laboratories of our neighboring provinces, which takes 2 to 4 hours of travel time. And with this pandemic situation, it is more challenging for us to fully perform research experiments within target dates, brought by restrictions to travel, which in effect cause us delays, slower turnaround time of results, and increase in expenses incurred. With these needs, and together with my co-proponents, Dr. Nanette B. Junicio and Ms. Danica Mariby Aposaga, we propose this research project entitled Establishment and Operationalization of Integrated Research and Development Laboratory, or IRDL, in Antique, under the DOST PCIEERD Institutional Development Program funding for a duration of 2 years. This project seeks to capacitate the university students, faculty, and researchers from various institutions. Specifically, this project aims to provide a venue to the students, faculty, and researchers to conduct and collaborate their research experiments, provide science and technology services to various clienteles, standardize food products and processes developed by the techno-hubs, and lastly, conduct relevant trainings and capability building activities to enhance their technical skills both in theory and in practice. As of this first quarter 2022, current updates from our research project includes launching of the laboratory as a new distinct unit last December 2021, retrofitting of the laboratory to meet the minimum criteria of the regulatory bodies such as ISO and PRC in consideration of the safety of the laboratory personnel and the programs and services to be offered. We have also conducted benchmarking activities on 2 techno-hubs, Hamtic and San Romeo. We already hired laboratory personnel, which includes 2 analysts and 1 laboratory aide, and with the help of DOST Region 6, the staff are trained for various laboratory analysis. And procurement of supplies, chemicals, and equipment has been processed already. Once operational, IRDL will offer varied laboratory services such as complete proximate nutrient analysis, soil and water analysis, and microbiological analysis, training services, and equipment rental services for researchers who plan to conduct their experiment in the laboratory. When equipment are installed and functional, standardization of techno-hubs food products is our top priority, which includes sweet potato ice cream, jicama jam enriched with lemon extract, seaweed pulveron, cacao-coated taro chips, and lastly, chewy bar made of mongo rice and muscovado sugar. In the operationalization of IRDL, the proponents envision positive outcomes and socio-economic impacts, such as to be a center for research and development and testing in the province of Antique, generate a pool of knowledge to the tested food and non-food products, serve as a hub for researchers and students to be trained and be capacitated with the needed skills and knowledge, innovate or improve laboratory analysis through optimization from experimental trainings, And lastly, to improve the lives of the community through innovative researches that produces patentable products and services. And lastly, thank you, UST PCIEERD, for this opportunity.